Hello?
Is Noah here?
Yes? Noah! One of your friends is at the door!
He is no friend of mine. He will face my wrath.
Okay. Noah!
I think he's outside.
He's outside somewhere.
We'll pass on this message to Noah. Tell him that he'll soon be in a whirlwind of pain when he meets me, the Bulldozer.
And your name is?
The Bulldozer. I thought that was clear.
Okay, Mr. Bulldozer.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
If this was Ashley, then who was that voice? Noah, what's going on?
I'm sorry, Dad. It got way out of hand.
What?
You know those Instagram filters Ashley uses to make herself look completely different?
Yeah?
I use them on myself. I can make myself look like a huge muscular guy. I started making fun of people on social media, and then I made fun of the Bulldozer and...
That was the guy at the door?
Yes.
Listen, when he calls back, I'll just explain to the guy it was just a misunderstanding. I'm sure a man calling himself the Bulldozer is a reasonable guy. Listen, Mr. Bulldozer, my son is just a kid goofing around. He's really sorry about what happened, and it won't happen again.
I wish to fight Noah.
He's a 10-year-old boy.
No, he is a huge, mountainous man. I saw it on Instagram. Instagram would never lie to me.
No, of course not, but
I have brought all my buddies over to watch. They come for a fight, and if I don't fight Noah, then I'm fighting you.
I think I'll call the police.
I am the police. I'm a part-time wrestler. Here are all my buddies who came to watch.
Get him, Bulldozer!
I have such supportive friends. I'll do it for you, Kyle.
I will fight you then. Just give me time to prepare.
I'll be waiting.
Yeah. Kwa! Hee-kwa! Ouch!
Now it is time to deliver the chokeslam of death.
And just what is going on here?
I'm delivering the chokeslam of death.
Stanley Burgess? Is that you?
Yes, Principal?
Well, I thought when you graduated, you would stop fighting with other people. What on earth do you think you're doing? I have a right mind to speak to your parents about this.
No, not Mom and Dad.
And as for you, police officers, get the hell off my property and solve some crime already.
Yes, ma'am. Come on, boys. We got a jaywalker on 5th.
Ooh, I'll get the taser.